The Torch and Sword Kingdom Academy is a Christian private school that strives to raise up King's kids. But what are King's kids? What makes TASKA different? What makes the teachers here at TASKA different? Hi, my name is Joy Kim, and I'm the Secretary of Student Council.
Hello, my name is Gideon, and I'm a senior at TASKA.
We're here to answer all your questions. So Gideon, what are King's kids?
King's kids are people who are restored in their identity as children of God. After they are restored, they change their value system to that of God's, and they strive to live a consecrated life. Because of this, they live with the fear of God and the dream of God's vision to restore all nations to the kingdom of God.
How is TASKA different? Here at TASKA, our teachers serve as excellent role models. They show us the value of each and every student. They teach us our impact, our identity, and how we can change the world.
TASKA is a unique environment where I got to learn to see the world in a different perspective. By seeing the world in a different perspective, I got to change my attitude to reflect God's image.
Here at TASKA, we believe in the intrinsic value of each student that has been placed upon them by their identity as sons and daughters of Christ. So, because of that identity, we believe that they have all been called to a higher purpose.
TASKA teachers focus thoroughly on every individual student. They know what the students are good at and what they struggle with.
TASKA is a community of opportunity and hope.
TASKA teachers do not only give lectures, but they also teach the meaning of education and what it means to be a King's kid. In TASKA, students learn not only the importance of academics, but also the importance of spirituality.
In TASKA, we also focus on the relationship between administrators and teachers, teachers and students, and of course, students and students.
Here at TASKA, we emphasize the need of community, trust, and identity.
Our school provides an environment where the students can learn the beauty of learning, the vitality of spirituality, the strength of community, and the significance of identity.
This is TASKA.